Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate real-life dialogues for practice using AI in 2025. This is perfect for language learners, role-playing scenarios, or even preparing for interviews, and the best part is, it's completely free. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Gemini AI. This free AI tool can create realistic conversations based on any scenario you choose. Next, type a prompt describing the type of dialogue you want. For example, you could write, create a conversation between a customer and a waiter at a restaurant. Include greetings, ordering food, and asking questions politely. The AI will instantly generate a full, natural dialogue that you can read, practice aloud, or even record for study purposes. You can adjust the prompt to make it more advanced. For instance, make this a conversation in English at a hotel reception. Include 5 exchanges and use polite expressions. If you want to practice different languages, just specify the language in your prompt. Write the same dialogue in Spanish for beginners. Once you have your dialogue, you can copy it into a document, flashcards, or any language learning app. This makes practicing real-life situations easy and efficient. And that's it. You've just learned how to generate real-life dialogues for practice using AI in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more free AI tools and tips.